Welcome! Today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to link or unlink the Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the convenience tools, and right there you will see the way Google Assistant with power button section, and just to activate this function tap once here on the switcher, and now we'll just check that. For a second just press to your power button, and as can you see our Google Assistant is activated now. And just if you wanna turn off this function, tap again on the switcher and that's it. And as can you see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.